This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Thermostat Replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable bolt on the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Cooling system flushing. Fill the cooling system with clean water. Install the expansion tank cap. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature, then rev up the engine a few times. Turn the engine off and allow it to cool completely. Open the radiator drain plug. Allow the contaminated water to drain completely. Close and tighten the drain plug. Repeat this cooling system flushing process until the water being drained is free of contaminants. Slide back the hose clamp, then disconnect the radiator hose from the thermostat housing. Remove the thermostat housing cover mounting bolts. Remove the thermostat cover. It may be necessary to tap it with a soft-faced hammer to break the gasket seal. Noting how it's installed, remove the thermostat from the housing. Clean the sealing surfaces of all old gasket material and debris. Install a new rubber seal onto the thermostat, aligning the outer tab with the air bleed valve. Install the thermostat in the housing cover, making sure the tab on the rubber seal aligns into the notch. Install the thermostat and cover onto the engine, threading in the mounting bolts. Tighten the thermostat housing cover bolts to the specified torque setting. Reconnect the radiator hose and secure the hose clamp. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the bolts securely. Cooling system filling. Lower the car to the ground. Unblock the wheels. Place the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position. Slowly add new coolant, which consists of a 50-50 mixture of water and Dex Cool coolant, to the expansion tank until the level reaches the full cold line. Install the expansion tank cap. Start and run the engine at idle for 2 minutes, periodically raising the engine RPM to 2500 to 3000 RPM. Turn the engine off and let it cool completely. Slowly remove the expansion tank cap and add more coolant mixture to bring the level back up to the full cold line. Install the cap.